In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a drop-down list in Excel, making data entry more consistent. First, select the cell or range of cells where you want the drop-down list to appear. Next, click on the Data tab at the top of your Excel window. In the Data Tools section, click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation dialog box, go to the Settings tab and choose List from the Allow drop-down menu. Now, in the Source field, type the items you want in drop-down list separated by commas. Once you have entered the items, click OK. Now, when you click on the selected cell, a drop-down arrow will appear and you can choose from the list you just created. If you have a list of items in a range of cells, you can select the range instead of typing items manually in the source field. That's it. You have now created a drop-down list in Excel to simplify data entry and ensure consistency, making data entry easier and more consistent.
Netcom Learning Bangladesh. Be a lifelong learner.